Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:36 p.m. May 12, 2021, Wednesday, hump day, inflation day, oil crisis day, you name it day. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yeah, we had all kinds of inflation worries that the economists didn't think was happening. But guess what? I think everyone else did. And now we're starting to get the pinch in. Oil crisis with gas pipelines and everything else. I don't want to discuss any of that. Let's just discuss my trading, which was pretty bad. I had a really rough day, and I would say I slightly went on tilt, but I didn't go on tilt. I just sized in poorly. I tried recouping a little bit. I was actually down way worse than I am now. And let's just get into the ugliness. Overtraded my face off. And Disney was the worst. There was no reason for me to be in Disney. It was starting to make a move up with the markets when the markets were coming down. We gapped down today. Based on that news, and look at the SPY just drifted off. I was trying to get into a Disney trade kind of like here, even this is the SPY. Let's bring up Disney, and here, thinking it was going to break above. It's just a poor entry. Just I don't know what I was doing, and guess what I did? I doubled down a little bit, added a couple hundred shares to my order, and eventually got stopped out because I didn't let it do this on me. If I held on to it, I'd be down. I was trading in the 80s. It's now at 77, so I would have been murdered. Just stupid. And then, CRIS, this was a tough trader. IHT again. Fubo, I really thought Fubo was going to make its move. I didn't know the markets were going to do what they're doing. They tried making this move through 21. I tried jumping in 21 here and failed. And I went a little heavy. I really thought Fubo had the strength today. It was gapping up really strong. But it's an earnings play, and I should have known better than to take Fubo today on this particular trade. I probably should have taken it more down here where it had better setups. Roku, I got aggressive with it, and it just failed. And, of course, when you get aggressive with Roku, you pay the price. To lose $179 on Apple, this was a hold and hope. These are all rule-breaking trades, just terrible trades that I should never have been in. And there's a couple. The CRIS, I was down like $400 on, so I did have a couple good trades in it because I was only down $272. OCGN, just bad timing. Amazon, bad timing on that one. Coin, just a really tough trader. We'll get into this stuff in a second. Muds, I don't even know. I think it was a news trade. Baba. So really the only news trade today out of all these, there was only one, and that was Boeing. And I went with 300 shares, got a quick pop on Boeing. They announced, I think it was right here. They announced that their max 738 maxes are fine or whatever. So I jumped on that and made a few bucks. But at this point, I was significantly down. Tesla, go figure, right? The day I'm down, I'm nailing Tesla, right? I'm nailing Tesla calls. Well, there's a $4 gain. These are all puts on Tesla today. 85, 134, several different trades of puts in Tesla. And I actually made a few $100 in Tesla call and options. I kind of like it. I kind of like trading the options on Tesla because you can trade one or two contracts. I think the max I took was 3, and just trade. And the only worry I have is our fills. There's a lot of volume in it, but if you're marketing in, you tend to be against you right away, and then you need to really make that move. So you really need to dial it in when you make that trade. And it felt pretty good with these, I don't expect to go heavy on them, but I'm learning that like 5 contracts, it's like every 5 cents is $25. And on Tesla, that's quite a bit. So a point would be like $500. And, that's kind of where I want to be. versus trading 25, 50, or 75 shares of common, thinking at one point is $25. I can look for a smaller scalp. Not that I'm focused so much on the money, which I am at points, on a P&L perspective. Like, you're looking at the common of Tesla with 75 shares, 1 point is $75. But if I have enough contracts, I can make that in like 15, 20 cents. Now I can also lose that in 15, 20 cents as well. So I just have to be more. But again, getting 15, 20 cents on Tesla is a lot easier than getting $1 at times. Obviously, you're looking for that bigger move. And I just feel like I'm always, fighting for that 50 cent plus on a common stock. And I think options is definitely the way to go with Tesla going forward. I'm still working with someone to kind of figure out a couple things, and I will share that with you in the future. But I got to tell you, I really missed news today. There was really nothing. I got myself in some bad situations, and I'll show you my day. Besides being down $1,100, I over traded. I don't even know how many trades I took. It was quite a bit. Does it show it here? Okay, number of trades 81. I actually made more money on the short side. I had 50 winning trades, 30 losing, and an even trade, but that's including buys and sells. But you can see here, started my day with a winner. That was up $18, and then just went downhill. And at the low end, I was down $16.34. And then this is when I decided to test some options. And I actually wasn't looking at options here at all. And this is when I was trading Tesla options. And if you look at 16, almost $400 or so, which was a nice. There's probably another trade in there as well. But am I upset? I'm not toxic right now. I'm a little frustrated with myself, but again, there's a moment there. I did slam the table. It's just a tough market. And I think a lot of you guys will agree it's a tough market out there. I forced it. What would I have done different? Like I've done in the last 2 weeks, which is sit on my hands more. For some reason, I got down. I was like, okay, we're going to make this back. I didn't do anything like double down. Except for the Disney one, I didn't do anything like that. I didn't do anything like stupid. I just got went too hard, too heavy on CRIS and IHT and Fubo and Roku and Apple. I don't understand how I lost $179 on Apple. I just let it work against me. I held and hoped, and that kind of failed. So that's it. That just sums up the day. No real big winners other than finding some good option trades. And hopefully I can go into Thursday and Friday, catch a news event, sit on my hands, be more. I was so relaxed too this morning, even though we had bad news. Why was I trading some of this stuff on a day where we're down, 681 on the Dow, 357 on the NASDAQ? So just remember that if you're having issues. I think today was definitely not a great day for me, but I'll be back fighting hard tomorrow and Friday and into the future. I just need to be more patient, and I'm hoping that, with some options trading, maybe I can be a little bit more relaxed, wait for the best setups and not try to get that, $22. I can get a little bit more money out of, smaller moves. Anyway, have a good night. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video, and I will be back tomorrow.